Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 56. Find the mean of the given data 6, 5, 9, 8, 8, 7, 9, 6, 9, and 7. A, we have 5.4, B, we have 6.7, C, 7.4, and D, 8.4. Now we have to find the mean of this given data. And like we know, mean simply means what? Average. When you hear the word mean, it simply means average. So to find the average of these numbers, what do? We definitely was sum up these numbers and divide it by the what? Total number of the numbers. That is sum of numbers all over the total number of these numbers. And this total number is usually expressed as n. And like we know, n from here is equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So n is equal to 10. So the mean is equal to the sum of all these numbers, that is 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7. Everything all over 10. Now when you sum up these numbers, it will give you what? It will give you 74 all over 10. Now 74 divided by 10 is equal to 7.4. So therefore the mean of these numbers is equal to 7.4. Now from the options, option A says 5.4, which is wrong, B says 6.7, which is wrong, D says 7.4, which is correct, and C says 8.4, which is wrong. So the answer to this question is C, 7.4. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.